Hello, I have heard that you guys are feeling a little lost in translation on WeChat. No problem, let's change the language to something you understand easily. This way, chatting with friends and exploring the app becomes a bridge. Grab your phone and open WeChat, then you can see that little person icon in the corner, that's your Me section. Tap it to open your profile. Now find settings, it might have a gear icon next to it. Think of it like a tiny toolbox of adjusting things in WeChat. Not so funny, right? So inside settings, look for general. This is where the magic happens. Don't worry, it's just usual, easy to find. And here's the fun part, looks for the language or a tiny globe icon. Think of it like a friendly emoji ready to travel the world. Found it? Great! Now choose your language from the list with a tap. WeChat transform into your familiar tongue. No more head-scratching translations, just smooth sailing through conversations and adventures. So bye-bye, WeChatters! I know that you guys already have subscribed. I don't have to say that because we have to meet on next video, right?